From this video, you will get tips to prepare for FCP, FortiAnalyzer 7.4 Analyst FCP_FAS_ and 7.4 exam and share free practice exam to test online. FCP_FAS_ and 7.4 exam overview. FCP_FAS_ and 7.4 exam details. Understand FCP_FAS_ and 7.4 exam topics. Study tips for best preparation. One. Which statement about sending notifications with incident updates is true? A. Each connector used can have different notification settings. B. You must configure an output profile to send notifications by email. C. Each incident can send notifications to a single external platform. D. Notifications can be sent only when an incident is created or deleted. Answer: A. 2. What can you do on FortiAnalyzer to restrict administrative access from specific locations? A. Configure trusted hosts for that administrator. B. Enable geolocation services on accessible interface. C. Configure two-factor authentication with a remote radius server. D. Configure an atom for respective location. Answer: A. 3. You've moved a registered logging device out of one atom and into a new atom. What happens when you rebuild the new atom database? A. FortiAnalyzer resets the disk quota of the new atom to default. B. FortiAnalyzer migrates archive logs to the new atom. C. FortiAnalyzer migrates analytics logs to the new atom. D. FortiAnalyzer removes logs from the old atom. Answer: C. 4. Which connector type is enabled by default to be used in playbooks? A. Fabric. B. EMS. C. Local connector. D. FortiOS. Answer: C. 5. Which FortiAnalyzer feature statement regarding macroSOAT when managing your network security? A. FortiView Monitor. B. Threat Hunting. C. Incidents Dashboards. D. Outbreak Alert Services. Answer: B. 6. What is the purpose of employing RAID with FortiAnalyzer? A. To introduce redundancy to your log data. B. To provide data separation between ADOMs. C. To separate analytical and archive data. D. To back up your logs. Answer: A. 7. In order for FortiAnalyzer to collect logs from a FortiGate device, what configuration is required? Choose 2. A. Remote logging must be enabled on FortiGate. B. FortiGate must be registered with FortiAnalyzer. C. Log encryption must be enabled. D. ADOMs must be enabled. Answer: A. B. 8. When working with FortiAnalyzer reports, what is the purpose of a dataset? A. To set the data included in templates. B. To retrieve data from the database. C. To provide the layout used for reports. D. To define the chart type to be used. Answer: B. 9. What are analytics logs on FortiAnalyzer? A. Log type traffic logs. B. Logs that roll over when the log file reaches a specific size. C. Logs that are indexed and stored in the SQL. D. Raw logs that are compressed and saved to a log file. Answer: C. 10. You are using RAID with a FortiAnalyzer that supports software RAID, and one of the hard disks on FortiAnalyzer has failed. What is the recommended method to replace the disk? A. Shut down FortiAnalyzer and then replace the disk. B. Downgrade your RAID level, replace the disk, and then upgrade your RAID level. C. Clear all RAID alarms and replace the disk while FortiAnalyzer is still running. D. Perform a hot swap. Answer: A. Subscribe and like past question.